Here's a 2021 Jaguar F-Pace. With the style, sportiness, and luxury of this F-Pace, it's as if Jaguar plucked it straight from your dreams. It has a presence befitting of a sports car, and it's ready to play. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, full-service internet access, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Innovation, responsibility, Jaguar. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.